You've heard the saying, a smile is worth 1,000 words, and for many, it can be worth so much more. But sometimes that smile can be lost for those who may be skipping trips to the dentist. Dr. Andrea Joy Smith is ready to welcome those reluctant patients into her office to help, and she's here to tell us about a procedure she specializes in that's a lower cost solution to many dental issues. Great to have you back on the show with us, Dr. Smith.
As always, Aubrey, it's great to be here. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so we all know there's a lot of people that dread those trips to the dentist. A lot of times they have issues that they maybe just don't want to have looked at, even though they need to get them fixed. Tell us about mini dental implants and a common way that you're using them.
You're so correct, Aubrey. A lot of my patients that are in need of dental implants or any other treatment, a lot of times they stay away from the dentist for fear of pain and things that could happen during the procedure that would catch them off guard. But with many dental implants, there's no need for patients to shy away from getting teeth replaced or those dentures that have been loose for a lot of years. There's no need to shy away from getting those things handled. And many dental implants are a good solution for those patients. They are mini in that they are minimally invasive, they're smaller in size, there's less surgery, and that gives a wide range of reasons why patients should return to get those problems taken care of.
Yeah, and we have you on the show. We talk about this. You've seen a lot of success with the clients and the patients that you treat. And we have a video of a gentleman that received an implant procedure at your office. So let's take a look.
It's amazing. I'm so happy to be able to chew, to smile with confidence, and above all things, once again, chew peanuts and gum without having to worry about anything falling apart.
So, Dr. Smith, I'm sure you have a lot of success stories like that that come out of your office. Talk about how long you've been placing these mini dental implants and helping people.
Yes, I've been placing these mini dental implants for about 14 years now, but mini dental implants themselves have been on the market for well over 20 years with a lot of documented success. And in particular, in my office, for the last 14 years, I have restored complete smiles. I have restored the ability to eat peanuts and gum, just as that gentleman in the prior video expressed. And some of the smaller things related to eating and smiling that most of us take for granted.
And so the other thing that can really hold people back is fearing this big bill. Can you compare the cost of mini dental implants versus conventional larger implants?
Absolutely. Conventional larger implants have been around in use for replacing teeth and stabilizing dentures for a few more years than mini dental implants. But along with that comes with the need for a lot of bone, and patients that have been missing their teeth for a while don't have a lot of bone. But it also comes with a larger expense. There's more surgery, there's more parts to the procedure, and it just takes anywhere from 6 to 9 months for a single tooth. And if you're going to restore the entire mouth, it could take even longer. I have patients that have come to me in the middle of conventional implant therapy, and they say, well, I've been in this denture for a year and I still don't have my permanent teeth. And so with many dental implants, because of the minimal nature of the procedure, we can do it in a shorter period of time, and the cost is about half that of conventional implants.
And we have some more before and after photos of several smile makeovers that you've worked on. Tell us about the types of services these patients received as we take a look at the before and afters.
Okay, most of my patients receive anything from one tooth being replaced or several teeth being replaced. The first two photos that you're showing, or actually all three of these particular patients, received full mouth treatment. And they have varying needs and reasons for why they wanted their teeth replaced. The first picture, for instance, she was resigned to eating pureed or basically baby food for the rest of her life because her trips to the dentist have been so difficult for her. And a friend of hers told me that told her about the service that I provide, and she was able to get a full mouth restoration. And now she eats and enjoys lunch with her friends all the time. The other patients that you showed, pretty much a very similar situation. The gentleman was going to start to do speaking engagements, was very ashamed of his smile, but now he's able to smile with confidence and to deliver those speeches, knowing that when he smiles at the end, things will be looking great. And this last young lady actually put off a major life decision. getting married. She did not want to get married until she had teeth that she can comfortably smile with before for her wedding pictures. So I see all types of people that have all kinds of issues, but it all boils down to them being prevented from doing something very important in their lives.
Yeah, well, the pictures and the smiles speak for themselves. Dr. Smith, thanks for coming on the show and telling us about that procedure. If you want to connect with Dr. Smith and you want to hear more about mini dental implants, you can check out smileagainnow.com.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.